Welcome to this guide on how to enable dark mode in the DeepSeek AI app. If you prefer a darker interface that reduces eye strain, follow these simple steps to activate it. Start by launching the DeepSeek AI app on your smart device and make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. By opening the DeepSeek AI app on the homepage in the upper left corner of the screen, you can see two lines that you will click on. After that, when a new page opens, scroll down to your profile in the lower left corner of the screen and click on it. The app will open a new page with a drop-down menu where you will look for the color scheme option and then click on it. A small window will open where you can switch between light and dark modes. Select dark mode to activate it. If there is an option for system default, selecting this will match the app's appearance to your device's settings. After enabling dark mode, the interface will immediately switch to a darker theme. There is no need to save your changes. You have now successfully enabled dark mode in the DeepSeek AI app. If this guide was helpful to you, consider subscribing to our channel for more videos on new and old apps.